Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, hard disk drive media storage, AM/FM stereo with CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.